Alright guys, we just hit a major turning point in quantum computing. IonQ, the leader in trapped ion quantum tech, has just hit a major milestone with Ansys to pull off something really incredible. For the first time, they've proven that a quantum computer can outperform a classical computer using real-world engineering simulation. This isn't just a theoretical win either. I think this is the start of something huge. It's one thing to talk about quantum computing's potential, but it's actually another to see it beat traditional methods in a way that matters. So if you're not familiar with Ansys, they're one of the biggest names in engineering and design software. They have companies across industries like automotive, aerospace, and semiconductors, which use simulation tools to refine products before they get built. So instead of spending millions on prototypes, businesses can run incredibly complex simulations to predict how a design will perform under real-world conditions. And this kind of computing power is crucial for innovation, and Ansys has been at the forefront of this for years. They've already been experimenting with quantum computing too, working with IonQ since last year to see if quantum computers could solve these tough problems more efficiently. And now, it looks like they've found the answer. So what exactly did IonQ and Ansys accomplish? Well, they ran a real-world engineering simulation, something that normally takes a ton of classical computing power, and IonQ's quantum computer handled it much more efficiently. And this is a clear, measurable advantage that shows how quantum computing's ability can outperform classical methods in a meaningful way. And it's actually one of the first times we've seen a practical quantum advantage demonstrated outside of a research setting, which makes this a massive leap forward. This matters because it proves that quantum computing isn't just some futuristic concept anymore. For years, people have wondered when quantum would actually go beyond experiments and start solving real-world problems better than traditional computers. And that moment has just arrived. If quantum computers can tackle complex simulations faster and more accurately, industries that rely on this kind of computing, like pharmaceuticals and material science, are going to take notice. The speed and efficiency quantum offers could completely change how businesses operate, cutting down the time and cost needed for major innovations. And for IonQ, this breakthrough is a huge validation of their technology and strategy. They've been betting on trapped ion quantum computing as the best approach, and these results give them some serious credibility. Investors, partners, and major corporations are going to see this as a signal that IonQ isn't just talking about quantum's potential, they're actually delivering on it. And with so many companies competing in the quantum space, proving real-world results like this sets IonQ apart and strengthens their position as a leader in the industry. Of course, classical computers aren't going anywhere overnight. Quantum computing still has its limitations, and we're still in the early days of seeing where it can make the biggest impact. But I think this is one of those moments where you can look back and say, this might be where everything changed. We're moving past speculation and into an era where quantum computers are solving real problems, and the pace of progress from here is only going to accelerate. IonQ just keeps winning. In fact, they recently took another huge step forward. To see what I mean, watch this video next. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.